She's warming up, guys. We have to preheat the intake. Oh, shit. Woo! Oh, it's working. Woo! Dude, how is that even working right now? Holy shit. It's working. We got it running. It's been sitting a long time. Now we gotta find some rope. Some rope. Too much. When you don't got rope. Oh, you got wire.
Direction.
So don't be in this vicinity.
Yeah, it's because it rotates this way,
so really give us some room.
We're gonna blow it up. We got gas in the...
Yeah, what's going on here? No one's... This shit's just blowing up. They're not explaining it.
We got gas in the oil. We got the governor rigged up, so we're gonna pull that string and it's gonna be a fucking shit show.
Okay.
We're gonna blow it up.
Alright.
If not, then we're gonna fuck it up with the tractor.
Wait, so I should stand right here?
Oh! Back there!
Where the fuck is... No, for real, where should I go?
Ready?
Ready?
What is this, like a TNT? It's good.
Man.
What?
There's so much gas.
So?
Everywhere.
So?
Alright, let's start it, I guess.
It's just a little leaky.
Yeah, it's right by the point of the condenser.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh, I gotta start it now when it's about to blow up.
Yeah, okay.
You're the one that put the gas all over it. Alright, ready?
Ready.
I'm running this way.
Oh, the belt's slipping. Just keep going.
There's so much gas coming out.
Hey, ready?
Ready! God damn it! You gotta take that bitch on.
This is camping fuel. Highly combustible.
Jesus.
Look at this mother. Holy fuck. Oh.
There's a lot of fluid in
Oh
there.
yeah, my hand's getting really warm, guys. Can you just give me a second? This is really nice.
There's like nothing left of that muffler. Trailer, jam it in the ground.
Yeah, fuck it. It is toasty right. Yeah, our neighbors do not like us right now. There you
Solid.
Is there a way we can like...
go. Just fucking just tie that bitch off. But
oh
then
wait, there's a stop on it.
Oh, what?
Ay, ay, ay.
I need a light.
It's daylight. The sun's out.
Oh, it's wide open at that point. Yeah, there's nothing we can do. It's just...
All right, let's just.
So Matt's putting his phone right here, right?
Oh.
That'd be awesome.
Ah, fuck, we need more. We gotta see some action here.
What can make this explode quicker? Like,
Or this fuel has no lubricating properties, so anything at this point.
so I like the water idea. Should
Well,
we go?
this is
better than water.
no, this is equally as bad.
Okay.
All right, ready to start this thing?
Sure. Oh!
He's getting up there.
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I mean, it blew up, but not in the
The gas tank is half full, so be careful.
That's problem. There ain't no gas in it.
We could have ran out of gas.
True.
Well, that was the exhaust temp.
454?
That's it.
Damn.
Yeah,
Shit.
let it burn.
Yeah, that exhaust temp was.
Oh, yeah, look at that, guys.
Woo!
So that was actually the actual exhaust temp, by the way.
726. Jesus Christ.
Now you're just gonna let.
Watch out, watch out.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
There's gas pouring all over.
Is there? It's fine.
Pick
I'll...
up slowly and just catch fire and burn on the ground.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Crazy ass.
Just entry.
Nice. Woohoo.
She definitely toasted now.
Holy fuck, Steve. Okay. That was awesome. Yeah. If it comes flying at me, I swear to God. Fuck! Oh, there's only a gas tank right here. It's all good, guys. Look at. We got flames and sick wheelies going on right now, guys. Oh. Oh my God. I'm dying. I think that's all she wrote, guys.
No, it's not over yet.
What do you mean? There's a part 2?
Tractor.
Let's hook it up.
Oh, dude.
Let's see if it cranks.
Oh my God.
Give her. Whoa!
Oh my God, what is going on over there?
It's going!
Oh fuck. Damn it.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
We ended her, boys.
She's not over yet.
You gonna ride her? You gonna go cut the lawn now?
Combustible fuel.
Battery will turn out very deadly because there's flames.
I see
Oh
that.
yeah, Matt. What are you doing? Oh, that's fucking sick. I totally missed it. Do it again. That's sick. Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude.
I can see the oil pan.
The PTO broke.
Dude, that is sick. Alright, we gotta pull the front axle off now. Why not, right?
It's fine.
Alright, we'll back it up. We'll wrap it around the front axle and do take 2, I guess.
Oh my god. Holy shit. You didn't get on video. You didn't get on video. God damn it. So we just missed this. It almost hit me. Dude, I twisted my ankle.
Oh my god. Dude, the whole thing.
No clue. I had no clue you were yanking it twice, man. Get the fuck out of the way. I jump. Whole thing comes flying at me. I was right next to the fucking fire.
Did you get on video?
No! His phone fucking dies. His phone dies. I run because I'm like, fuck that.
Matt, do we tie along the other axle now?
I always miss the best footage every fucking time. Holy shit.
That was great.
That was a good one. That thing went flying.
Oh my god.
It's gonna fit in my trailer now.
Yeah, it is.
Did we literally break the axle off for that?
No, we ripped off the frame in half.
Broke the axle off of that side. Ripped the frame in half on that one.
Dude, that truck's a beast.
Well, it's also weighs, 18,000 pounds.
Hey, look, we can change the oil filter.
Oh yeah, let's change the oil real quick.
Yeah, quick and easy access.